Hello my dear students, welcome back again. In our last video, we have talked about the introduction of factorizations and how to take the factors of monomial and factorization by grouping terms. Based on that knowledge, we will going to perform an exercise today. So let's get started. So students, our first question is based on the MCQ, which our first question says that the factorization of this number 12m square minus 15mn cube. So we have 12m square minus 15mn cube. So first of all, we have to take the common between these two terms. So in 12 and 15, the common is 3, and m square and m, the common is m. We always have to take the minimum power of a variable in a common factor. Now, what we left with? We left with 4m minus 5 and q. So let us see, this option is present. Yes, the option number 1 is correct. So now let's move to the second question. So as you can see here that ax plus by minus ay minus bx is equivalent to. So same thing we have to do here. We have to factorize it. That is ax plus by minus ay minus bx. So in this question, we will try to do solve it by grouping. So see here is the x and here is x. Taking x as a common, what we left with a minus b. In the same way, here is y and here is also y. Taking y as a common, we left with b minus a. So still, as you can see here it is not matching. So what we'll do, we will take common, we will take minus here common from here. So what we will have, so we will have x a minus b minus y and a minus b. So taking a minus b as a common, a minus b and x minus y. So is anything present in the option? A minus b and x minus y. Yes, option number 1 is correct here. So which our third question is that question number C is saying that we have to factorize p square q minus p r square minus pq plus r square. So we will try to group it. So let us see how we will do the grouping. So we will try to search the terms which are more common in that. So suppose that here is r square and here is r square, and here is a pq and here is pq. So most of the terms are in common between them. So p square q minus pq minus pr square plus r square. Taking pq as a common, we left with p minus 1, and taking r square as a common, we left with p minus 1. So as you can see here, bacho, we have taken minus as a common here, and here it was plus. When we taken the minus common from here, this plus will become here minus, because when we're going to multiply inside it again, this minus will again become the plus. So that's why here will be the what, minus. So taking p minus 1 and p minus 1 as a common and take it out, p minus 1, and we left with pq minus r square. And here we have the factors of this question. So our next question is D1. The common factor of, okay, we have a D question and we have to tell the common factors of 17 ABC, 34 AB square and 51 a square b. So we have to find out the common factor of these numbers. So first of all, we have to factorize it. What numbers can be the factor of this number? So as you can see here, 17 can be written 17 into a into b into c. In the same way, 34 can be written as 2 into 17 into a into b into b, and 51 can be written as 3 into 15 17 into a into b. So let us see which number is common among these number. So as you can see here, 17 is common, and a is common here in all three terms. B is also common here in all three terms. C is there, but here is no C, no C. So only these three numbers are in common among these terms. So we have a common factor of these three terms is 17 into A into B. That is 17AB, and this is our answer. Let us move to our next question. So your second question is saying that we have to find out the HCF of the following monomials. So as we know that the HCF is a number which is going to divide the given number, and it should be the highest one. That's why it is called highest common factor. So we have a first question, that is A. We have a number 3x square y, and again the second one is what? Minus 6xy, and the third one is what? 8xy square. So we have a factor 3 into x into y, and here we have 6. 6 we can write 2 into 3 into x into y, and 18 can be written as 3 into 6, and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So we can write 2 into 3 into 3 into x into y. So let us see how much numbers are common in between. So as you can see here, 3 is common here, here, and here. X is common here, here, and here. Y is there, there, and there. And rest is not common. So we have a highest common HCF is equal to 3 into x into y. So answer will be what? 3xy, and this is our answer. So let us take one more question. Okay, student, let us see the D1. So D answer can be written as like this: 3x cube y square z, and second one was minus 6x y cube z cube 12 x cube y cube z cube. Let us write the factors of these numbers. So as you can see here, 3 into x cube into y square into z, and this can be written as minus 2 into 3 into y cube into z cube, and this can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into x cube into y cube into z cube. First of all, we will try to take the common in between the constant numbers. So the constant number are there only 3. So 3 is there, 3 is there, and 3 is there. So one common factor is in between them is 3. And rest in a variable we have to see the minimum power. Power is 3, and here the power is, here is no x in the power. Okay, here should be x in the power, so we will take one x here, and here is x power 3. So the minimum power is x power 1, so we'll take x. And in y we will take y square, y cube, and y cube is z. So minimum power is what? Y square, so it should be y square. In z, 1, 3, and 3, so that we take z the power 1. So this is the HCF of these three numbers. HCF is equal to 3xy square z, and this is our answer. And the remaining questions which are there, the question number B and question number C is your homework. So now let's move to the next question, question number 3. So our next question is saying that find the HCF of the terms of the following algebraic expression. So as same as we have done here, the same process will follow here. If you don't want to follow that process, we can have some other process also. PQR minus 6p square q square r plus 12pr. So as you can see here, first of all, see the constant. If you find something common in the constant, you can take it out from there. So 3, 6, and 12. In 6, 3, and 12, the 3 is common here. Okay, so we have taken out the 3. P square, and p here. So minimum power of p is what? P power 1. In q square, and here is no q, so we'll not going to take the q. In r, here is a r, and r. We'll take out the r. So what we left here? P3 PR is the outcome out from there. What we left with? Q. So Q should be here, minus should be here. Here 3 2s are 6. Here should be what? 3 2s are 6 now. So 2 will be here, because when this bracket is going to open, when we multiply again this 3 to 2, we will again get the 6 here. That's why here should be the 2. Okay, now you can see here P, here what we left with? 1P is here, and here will be what? 1P. So 2P, and no Q is here, so Q square whole, and R, 1R is here, the 1R is here, so no R will be here, because R is taken as a common outside of the bracket. So in 3 here should be what? 4, and PR is common, so this. So as you can see here, 3PR 3PR is the common amongst these three number. So we can say that 3HCF is equal to 3PR. So this is our answer. But if you find any kind of difficulty while using this method, you can use the previous one also. That one is also correct. No problem in that. Okay, rest is your homework. Try to solve it. If you find any kind of difficulty, you can ask to me. Okay, let's move to the next question. So our next question is saying that factorize the following by taking out common factors. So we have to factorize. See the question number A. So as you can see here, question number A. See here, question number A is saying that 4x minus 24xy. So in these two numbers, the common is what? 4x. Here it will left with 1, and minus 4 6 are 24. Now 6 4 are 24. So here we got 6, and x is out there. So what we left with? 6y. So this is our answer. See the question number B. So question number B is saying that 4m 3n minus 5 plus 3n minus 5. As you can see here, 3n minus 5 and 3n minus 5 is common in these two numbers. So we will take it out, 3n minus 5 as a common, and what we left with? 4m plus, yes. So we can see that 3 minus 5 is taken out here. So what we left with? 1 only. So this is our answer. So next question, that question number C. Question number C is that y minus 4 and x plus 2 plus y minus 4 and x plus 1. So as you can see here, y minus 4 and y minus 4 is common. So take it out, y minus 4. And here we left with x plus 2 and plus x plus 1. Open that bracket, y minus 4, x plus 2, here should also be the bracket now, plus x plus 1. Y minus 4, x plus x, 2x, and 2 plus 1 plus 3. So this is our answer. Now see the question number D. In question number D, we can write like this. Question number D, you can see here 5a 2x minus 4 minus 2b minus 2b 2x minus 4 plus 2x minus 4. As you can see here in these three terms, this and this is common, so take it out. 2x minus 4 as a common, here left with 5a minus 2b plus 1, and this is our answer. So now let's move to question number E. So question number E is that 25a cube minus 20a square b. So as you can see here, in 25 and 20, the common is what? 5. And in a cube and a square, the common is what? A square. And here is no b, so we will not going to take the common b here. So 5a square is common. We have left with 5 5s are 25, and a minus 5 4s are 20, and here should be what? B. And this is our answer. Okay, now our next question is that F1 15 x square y minus 24 x y square plus 18 x y. So now taking the common in between these constant terms 15, 24 and 18, the common number is 3. 3 is common, x, and x here, so the minimum power is what? X here. y square and y. The minimum power is what? Y. So we're left with 5. 3 5 is 15. X and y is already taken common here, minus 8 3 is 24. So here we will have 8y will be there here because xy is common, and we left with y here, plus 18xy. So in 3 6 are 18, so here we got 6 and xy common there. So this is our answer. Now let's move to the question number G. Question number G is saying that 21 x cube y cube minus 28 x power 4 y power cube minus 14 x power 5 y square. Now when we're going to solve it, 21, 28 and 14, the common number is what? 7. Again, x cube, x power 4 and x power 5. The minimum power is x power cube, so x power 3 here. Y cube, y square. So minimum power is what? Y square. So we left with 7 3s are 21, 3 x already common taken here, 3y minus 7 4s are 28, 4 x y minus 4 2s are x square only, and this is our answer. One question is left, and this question is your homework, so do it by your own. So now we will move to the last question, question number 5. We have to factorize it by grouping. So let us see the question number 1a, that fifth a, that is xy minus yz plus minus xz plus z square. But you can group anyone in which number you are able to see the common. You can make it in a group. Okay, just like I'm seeing that here y, here z, and here z. So we will make group like this. So we have here y taken as a common, x minus z, and here minus also taken as a common, and z as a common. So we have x minus z. Why minus here? Because we have already taken minus common here. When we have taken the minus common here, this plus become minus, because when we again going to multiply this minus z to this x and minus z, this minus z, minus minus plus become plus z square. That's why we'll do the same. So x minus z taking as a common, so we left with x minus z and y minus z, and this is our answer. Question number C. Let us see the question number C. Question number C is saying that x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. So as you can see here, we can take common in between them, and between them we will try to make grouping of these two numbers. So taking x square as common, we'll have with x minus 1 plus x minus 1 is already there. If nothing is there, we will put here 1. Okay, if there is no number in common, so 1 is always a common of each and every number. So as you can see here, x minus 1 taken out. So we have x square plus 1. So this is our answer. So now let's move to the next question. Note it down quickly. Okay, next question is that, now move to the, let's do the question number G. Let's do the question number G. Question number G is saying that y square plus 8xz minus 2xy minus 4yz. So as you can see here is no common, so we will try to common these two numbers, and we will try to common these two numbers. So let us see that y square minus 2xy plus 8xz minus 4yz. Okay, now we will try to take the common in between them. So we have what? Y as a common, so we left with y minus 2x, and here we will take the common 4z, so we will left with 2x minus y. So still we are not getting the same number here. So what we'll do, we will try to take the common from here. So what we will have, we will have y minus 2x minus 4z, and it should be what? Y minus 2x. So now we will have common here, y minus 2x, y minus 2x. So take it out, y minus 2x, y minus 4z, and this is our answer. And now let's move the question number I. Question number I is saying that minus 12 ab square plus ab, and here should be what, minus b cube plus 12a square. So AB is here, and here is nothing in common between them. So we group it with this number and group it with this number. Okay, so we will have minus 12 AB square minus BQ plus AB plus 12A square. Now taking the common B square in between them, and minus is also common between them. So we will take minus as a common from here. So we will have what, 12a minus b. As you can see, we have taken a minus common here, so we will make it plus, because minus plus becomes again minus here. Okay, so here it will be what, taking a as a common, we left with b plus 12a. So as you can see, this number is same, so we can write like this, 12a plus b, and here we got a minus b square, and this is our answer. So rest question which we have not done yet is your homework. Do it, and if you find any kind of difficulty, you can ask to me. Thank you for today, Bachu. Have a nice day.
Thank you for joining me today in our learning journey. Remember, education is the key to unlocking your full potential. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next lesson, and until then, keep striving for excellence. Goodbye, and happy learning.